Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some fantastic Barbie centerpiece ideas and taking you behind the scene of setting up a Barbie themed birthday decor. I'll cover table decoration and a fantastic Barbie balloon backdrop idea. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, and give this video a thumbs up. Also, I've included all the links to all the items I used for the centerpieces and Barbie decor in the video. Check the description box below the video for easy access. In our first centerpiece, I'm using a cute pink Barbie convertible car. I added a small piece of pool noodles into the front seat, securing it with the seat belts. Then I arranged my flowers on the pool noodles. To conceal the noodles inside of the convertible, I used a preserved moss. The moss not only hides the noodles, but also gives the flowers a natural look, just like a beautiful garden growing out of the car.
Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive.
Now let's talk about the second centerpiece. The client wanted to include a ballerina doll in the Barbie birthday decor because her daughter loves ballet and is taking ballet classes as well. So I decided to add the ballerina doll to the centerpiece. Now the centerpiece gives this illusion of a Barbie is emerging from a beautiful flower arrangement.
You got me singing. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Maybe let's take a drive, take a drive. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh, oh, oh. Way, oh, way, oh.
I'm just taking you behind the scenes with me on this small birthday party decor that I will be doing today for about 50 people. So I wanted to kind of take you along with me, show you the setup process, and show you how everything turned out. So definitely comment below, let me know what you guys think of how everything turned out. The theme for this party is a Barbie theme, okay? So I showed you already how I did the centerpieces, so now I'm just kind of taking you along with me so you can see how the decor turned out and how the centerpieces turned out with the decor. So as you can see, I've already have the linens on the tables, chairs already arranged, so now I'm just gonna arrange the table settings along with the centerpiece. As you know, the Barbie theme is pretty in style right now. Everyone right now is currently doing the Barbie theme. So this is the Barbie box. We're going to be, doing some really beautiful balloon setup. I'm really loving how the box looks. And you can definitely step inside. And I just love it. It's so pretty. I think it's so cute. It's just such a nice touch to have. If you are doing this theme, the Barbie box is definitely must have for sure. As an event designer, it's wonderful to have the skills to design and decorate everything. However, there comes a point where doing everything yourself can lead to you feeling burned out. That's why collaborating with other vendors in the same industry is fantastic. Sharing the workload reduces stress, it lightens your workload, and you won't feel so overwhelmed.